My name is Ben. I'm a locksmith here in Florida. Um, I got the Framon 2 key machine, and I was just wanting to playing around with it, wanting to cut a key by code, pick and decode a master padlock with the Lishi tool here, the M1 Lishi tool. Because if you ever lose a key to one of these padlocks, they're really hard to impression. So, and it's nice to be able, people might give you padlocks and stuff. It's nice to be able to make keys for it and pass it along. So, I'm just going to walk through the process here of Lishi picking it, decoding it, and then cutting a key by code on the Framon 2 code machine. So, we'll get right to it. So I have the M1 Lishi tool and padlock in the vise here. And I will just go ahead and start picking this. One is springy, two springy, low click out of 3, click out of 4. Alright, got that open. So let's go ahead and decode that here. One looks to be a 5. 2 looks to be a 2. 3 looks to be a 1. And 4 looks to be a 6. So I will go ahead and write this down, and then I'll show cutting a key on the Framon. Alright, got it over on the Framon here, and got the book open to M1, and it's spacing block 1, spacing at 125 thousandths, and cut start at 187. So let's go ahead and dial in 187. So let's zero this out right here. So we'll go 187. So there's 50, there's 100, 150, there's 200, there's 90, let's see, there we go, 87. So 187 right there. Alright, and that's it's already zeroed out there because I've been cutting these. So our first cut is a number 5, depth number 5, which is going to be a 194. So we'll go over here to hopefully this is focusing. We'll go over here to 200. I'll zero it out on 200. And then we'll count back. So there's 190 and there's 194 right there. So that is our first cut. I'll go ahead and switch this on. Alright, that's our first cut right there. And let's see, second two cuts are two number 2s, which is a 241 right there. So we will go to we'll go to 250 and then count back. So we'll zero it out on 250. I apologize about the filming. I'm not the best at this. And it was 241. So there's 241 right there. All right. And we'll go ahead and change our spacing right here to number 2 position. Let's see, I'm trying to adjust the camera here. Alright, number 2 position. And we'll go ahead and do number 3 as well, since that's a number 2. Alright, we'll go ahead and move over to our last cut, number 4. And number 4 is going to be a 6, which a 6 is 179. So we'll go over to 150. And then 160, 170, 175, 76, 77, 78, and 79. Alright, and that was it. Just go ahead and deburr this here. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Go ahead and deburr this, and I go ahead and grab the padlock. Let's see here. Go ahead and lock it back up. Let's see if this was gonna work. Look at that. It works good. So the more trying to impression these old padlocks that are all, the cylinders are all floppy in there, this works good. So just a little playing around, figuring out that new Framon. So alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.